Hey you guys, so I am back with another video. Yay! My friend is saying hello through FaceTime. So today I'm going to be doing an Aladdin inspired look since the movie has just come out or is coming out or has already come out by the time you guys see this. So I just wanted to do a look. I just wanted to do a look inspired by the movie, even though I have not seen it by the time yet, but I really enjoyed the movie as a kid, so I wanted to go ahead and do a video. I'm going into this video not knowing what I'm going to do, so I have a color palette picked out and my wig is prepped. That's all I have. So this is gonna be kind of a go with the flow type video, so stay tuned to see how this look turns out. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime with my Smashbox Photo Finish Radiance Primer. And I'm also gonna use the Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics All Over Glow Luminizer Gel with that. But I like to use these just so they have that glow within look. And now that I look like a disco ball, despite popular belief, I'm not gonna go in with my foundation. I'm actually gonna go in with a eyelid primer because we're doing the eyes first. We're gonna get that out of the way and start creating on that. Since we have no clue what we're doing, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Rimmel London Magnifies Primer. This is a really good eyelid primer, you guys. I had never used eyelid primer before until I started using this. But I use this as a base for my concealer because I do go in with a concealer shade after my primer. So my friend Desiree, she's been like asking me every single time that she sees me when the next YouTube video is coming out, and I just kind of look at her like,
you tell me, because I've been on a hiatus from YouTube for a while.
Okay, when I tell you this concealer is really great, the only other concealer that I think tops it at this point for me that I've tried is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and list the palettes that I'm gonna try to use today. First and foremost, I really wanted to go in with this Makeup Forever Duo palette. I'm also using my Holy Grail. This is my first palette ever, you guys. This is my Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. I also have another Holy Grail. And this palette is a little bit under fire because people have been burning these literally under fire. James Charles Artistry palette from Morphe. I'm also using the Warrior palette by Juvia's Place. Also, I'm going to be going in with the Naked Cosmetic Holographic Highlighter palette. So I'm going to start with shade B in the James Charles palette. And so I'm going to go back in with that fluffy blending brush in that same shade and just buff that everywhere. I'm gonna dip into the BH Cosmetics palette and see what their yellow is looking like. I know there's a deeper yellow in here, so I think I'm gonna dip into here and see what she's working with. Let's just be honest. The Take Me Back to Brazil palette was the first artistry palette. Let's just be honest. Let's just say it.
How about you just say it to my face, the things you've been saying?
I'm going to dip into the orange from James's palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and start smoking that orange in the crease. I've never actually done one of these sunset type looks before, so this is gonna be so interesting. And now I'm gonna dip back into that Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna go in with their orange. So I'm gonna go ahead and deepen this crease up. I'm gonna go back in, and just for the sake of making sure it's blended, I'm gonna go over the edges. I'm gonna take this concealer, dab some here. Okay, now we can see where that starts. And I'm gonna bring it up. I don't normally do this, so this is new. We're gonna take shade Playground on a flat, dense brush.
This is gonna be so crazy.
I'm gonna go ahead and pack that right here. gonna go in with shade Escape. I'm gonna take this tapered brush from Glamour Dolls and go in with that shade.
I should have gone with a smaller brush. Let's go in with a smaller brush because I'm scared. I chickened out, you guys. I chickened out.
You know I'm trying to see if it'll work out here, and I know that it's not.
So I'm gonna go ahead and deepen up that crease with this shade. This could go completely left, you guys. It really could. And I'm a little bit more confident with my strokes now. So I'm gonna go in with that and just flick that outward. Now for the fun part. I'm just gonna go ahead and take that same brush that I was using before and clean it off just a little bit. And I'm just gonna go in with the Forever 21. I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever Duo. Ooh, you guys, look at that shine. I'm gonna just keep packing on this full and no one's gonna stop me. I would like to see someone stop me.
I would like to see it.
I'm just gonna go in with that concealer again. I'm really scared to do it though, you guys. I'm really scared. This is not the P. Louise base. She ain't thick like that. She is not thick like that. And just stamp it. Okay, I did it, y'all. I did it. That was quick. That was quick and easy. Let's look in this Juvia's Place palette and see what she got. Let's see what she got. Let's see what she got. So I'm gonna go in with Dahomey, and I'm just using that same brush, you guys. I'm not changing out. I just think this turned out so beautifully. I'm so proud of myself. I'm gonna go in with the Artistry shade. I forgot to wet my brush. Ah! I think that's the key to artistry. You gotta kind of wet it to get it there. It's a cute shade, but I just feel like it doesn't give you enough. Now I'm just taking that concealer and cleaning up the eyeliner on the bottom. Now I'm just gonna go in with my foundation. If you're not already on the bandwagon, you might need to go ahead and get you. Some of this Maybelline Superstay. It says up to 24 hours, and that is true. I haven't worn it for a full 24 hours. I'm not gonna say that, but I just want y'all to see this coverage. I want y'all to see the coverage. I just want y'all to see that. That's all. I want y'all to see the coverage, and I'm gonna leave y'all alone. I promise.
Let me tell you, I was on the right side from this. I'm right-handed. But look at that coverage, guys. I know that's just like one swipe, but look at that coverage.
And that was only one pump, you guys, over the whole face. Now I'm gonna get my concealer. So I'm gonna use this and go in my waterline with that. Yeah, I don't do this often. I'm scared. Now I'm taking the Bella Pierre Banana setting powder and setting my under eye. And also establishing my other contour. My new favorite bronzer is the Morphe bronzer in Blogger. Now I'm gonna take that huge brush and get the excess powder off. Right here I'm using shade Hello from the James Charles X Morphe palette. I'm gonna go in with the blue shade in the holographic palette as well and just go ahead and pop that in there on top of that. Ooh, that's creating kind of like a purple shade. I like it. Ooh, matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the purple shade. Oh, that's bright. I really like that. I dig that. I'm gonna tap a little bit right there too. Ooh, girl. Okay. Alright, I'm backing off. And now we're gonna go back into that Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Period. Go back in there with that orange shade. The lashes I'm about to apply will be from E-Stars Cosmetics. I'll link them below. If I forget, please tell me. Alright, now that the wig and the lashes are on, which took me too long, entirely too long, I'm going to use the Ofra highlighter in a Rodeo Drive. Period. So for the lippie, I need to re-prepare my lips for this because they don't got dry. The lippie, I'm going to be using the Tarteist lip paint in the shade DELISH. Disney Princess vibe. I'm going to Pretty Vulgar lip cream in the shade My Lips Are Sealed. And Jasmine, I don't know if she has a mole or not, but I really want to add one. And I'm using the E-Star Lip Flashes Glitter GLAMPOTS. I'm going to use more than one. I'm going to use this one, the gold, of course. Make sure to follow me on Instagram for more amazing looks.